Miss Papageorgiou. I'm a second grade teacher as well as the second grade team leader. Scholars are greeted every day individually. We come in, we have our morning meeting, talk about different topics, things that they enjoy doing and things that they did over the weekend. And throughout the day, we have a broad amount of subjects, and they have lunch and recess. We have an amazing time in the playground. We have hula hoops, all different types of basketball, soccers, and the teachers love to engage with them as well. We also have a class called Classical Conversations, where we identify different types of topics such as identity and responsibility, whatever that looks like to them, and how they can grow as individuals. And that's our day. I would say what makes our school unique and special is how much community the teachers have amongst each other. We love to cross-collaborate within different grade levels so that we can properly prepare scholars for the next grade level. And also the community engagement. Our school does a lot of donations to the Family Enrichment Center, and we do a lot of collaborating, not only internally but externally. So it's great to see that we have tight roots with the community around us. There's no other classroom like Miss Papageorgiou's classroom. We love to get down to business, but we also love to have a great time and have laughs with each other, and that's okay.